This is a 96 Toyota Crown Royal Saloon, all-wheel drive. Car, I would say, is on the level of a Cressida and an Avalon. It rides like an Avalon. Smooth. I love driving it. Always wanted a right-hand drive car. You know what I mean? So when the time presented itself and I seen one come up, I said, bump it. It's my time. I'm going to get it. It's over. You know what I mean? I went, test drove it. I test drove it. Gave the dude some of the money. Said, look, I'll be back. Let me know when the title ready. When the title ready, I'll be back. Truth be told, he sent me the title in advance before I paid him all the money. I mean, the guy was straight up and down. You know what I mean? So he sent me the title before I even can even think about coming back to get the car. He sent me the title. About almost 2 weeks later, I went and got the tags, went back up, NY, grabbed the car, drove it all the way back. No problem. So yeah, it's official. Me personally, I love it. I love it. It's different. And it's good to be different. I like to be different. We all like to be different. So for me, I just say it's a blessing. You know what I mean? Because I found something that I wanted and I like it. I'm gonna ride it. I have lowering springs for it, BC coilovers. So I'm gonna drop it on lowering springs. And I'm gonna change the whole brake kit system. You know what I mean? So it won't be hard for me to get the brake kit system. I'm putting a whole new exhaust. I already have the exhaust. Change the whole exhaust on it. The exhaust is coming from an IS300. So a lot of the cars are compatible. Like a 97 GS300, IS300, 99 Camry, 4-cylinder. You know what I mean? So a lot of these cars Toyota made are pretty much compatible. I like the color scheme. The color scheme, it matches my Supra. So that's why I like the color scheme. Very comfortable car. Very comfortable. It looks like an old grandma car. You know what I mean? Has the lace seat covers. It still has the fire stick in here. And when you break down, pull it out and set it to the side. It even has a trash can in here. You push the button, open it up, trash can, throw your trash in here. They keep their cars very neat. You know, us coming up, we had sheepskins. Them, they have lace seat covers. I had to shade the rotors down. I had to get the rotors turned a little bit because the rotors came off a 97 GS300. The rear rotors came off of a 94 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Now, we had to adjust the parking brake. The parking brake had to be adjusted for the rear rotors to fit. Rear rotors was fine, and the brake pads came off a 99 Toyota Camry. Or you can use them off a 97 GS as well. So I want to say all of them are pretty much compatible, like with the Toyota Chaser, Toyota Crown, Majesta. This is a Royal Saloon 153. Like they have a 151, they have a 153 and a 155. This is a 153, right? Which I guess is in the middle. So other than that, and they all pretty much got like this, it's like kind of like stigma feeling when you drive it. It's like smooth. It's like no other. Now you look at the car, you would never think that the car rides like that. This car rides like a baby. I mean, I never thought it till I first got in it. And I was like, wow, this car rides nice. I was really stunned. I didn't, you know, I liked the car because, for one, I'm a Toyota person. You know, they most durable cars, I would say, on the street, in my opinion. And, you know, that's my go-to. I love driving them. But this one is unique. The seats are, they velour. You know what I mean? And, I mean, you wouldn't believe this is a 96. And I can hit a button, and you look at the mirrors, right? The mirrors go in and out. Like this 96, way ahead of their time, man. It's got a wood grain in here that's like no other, and the wood grain still looks fresh, still looks new. You know what I mean? Now this particular car, it came with remote start. I got a button, you can hit the button and start up by itself. I mean, it's clean. I mean, what more can you ask for? Clean. Looks like a little grandma car. When you drive it, it drives smooth like a grandma car. Guess what? I love it. I love it. I love driving it, and it just gives you a different feeling when you get in it, even though you're on the wrong side. You know what I mean? Which is the right side. So I would say to anybody, if this is something that you're looking for, you want to treat yourself, I would say do it. I did it, and I mean, but at the end of the day, it might not be everybody's preference. Me, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take my chances. If you don't like it, sell it. Fix it up the way you want to, and it don't have to look like an old grandma car. You know what I mean? You can change the wheels, you can change the lights, you know what I mean? I have plenty more things to do to this car. I have a lot of accessories. I'm just waiting till my mechanic is free, and then we going for it. Now when I drop it, it's gonna really give it a different taste. It's gonna give it a different look, different taste. So I can't wait to drop it. I can't wait. Change the exhaust. I'm gonna change the exhaust. It's not gonna be loud, but it's gonna be unique. It's gonna be unique. So, I mean, and I call her Egg Foo Young. That's my stigma.
GigaHouseMedia.